Well, good morning, campers. We're here at the edge of Hole in the Ground, and we're getting ready to drive down in there. It's been a beautiful morning, a great sunrise, and got to see a little bit of that. Stopped and had our coffee, and now we're getting ready to head down into Hole in the Ground. Like I say, when I was here a year and a half ago, it was a little colder and a little windier. Today is pretty nice. So let's go have a look. We're all set to hit the road and head out there. So I thought I smelled some kind of a little electrical problem, but nothing showed up. Well, checking under the hood, we discovered that apparently there's been some kind of squeaking underneath here and found evidence of it. I don't know if we were able to repair the squeaking or not, but we sure tried. We'll see how it turns out.
Did you know that hole was chewed in there?
Yeah, but that's been like that a while. Of course, do I have it today? No.
Like,
yeah.
there he is. He just went by.
Did he?
I can see his tail. Didn't this all start from you getting a cheesy smell inside the...
Yeah. You know, it's probably the mac and cheese we had last night. It was overly cheesy. So that's probably what started this whole thing.
It caused you to make this cheesy video?
Yeah, and then now we got a cheesy video.
Yeah, we're chasing him back and forth. He just went back that way. He acts like he wants to come out. He stuck his head out, got his face looking right at me. Oh yeah, there he is right there. His nose. Yeah. It's his nose.
Hey buddy, you're trespassing.
If I slam it right there real hard, I'll probably just smash him up against something. Look at this guy. Then he comes.
Anyway, we're going to try getting down into Hole in the Ground and deal with the mouse later. You ready to hit it?
Yeah.
All right. What a great place. Like I say, when I was here before, I enjoyed it, but I'm enjoying it no less this second time around. And my unknown friend from Idaho is enjoying it as well, so he says. So we're going to head back out of here and we're going to go have a look at Fort Rock. But thanks again for watching, you guys. And here we go. Okay guys, we're on our way to Fort Rock. Have a look at that. It's a gorgeous morning right now. It's not very hot yet. It's only about 55 degrees outside, so perfect morning. Sun's out, just a few clouds. Just couldn't ask for better weather right now. So as we head down the road, I'm not going to repeat myself about Fort Rock or hole in the ground. There were some minor scientific facts that I managed to put in the previous videos, so they'll be linked in the descriptions below the prior videos in case you want to find out a sentence or two about Fort Rock and hole in the ground. Finishing up my Dagwood sandwich and having a look here at Fort Rock. Got the place to ourselves at the moment, so I think I'll take the drone up and have a look. Good food. Still on the road, the back roads, and we're making our way kind of northeast. I'm going to see if we can get in the Ochoco National Forest tonight. That'll be north of Highway 20 that runs through Oregon. We stopped at Crack in the Ground. That was a pretty neat spot. Last time when I was at Crack in the Ground, it was in April of last year, and I could only hike a little ways down because the snow was still packed up down in the bottom of that, and it was more of an ice slick down in there. So this time we got to hike down there a little farther and see what it's all about, and pretty cool to have a look at that. And the temperature dropped dramatically. There's a little portion in there that if you were to stop and hang out for a while, you'd need a little jacket or a sweater or something. You know, outdoors it was, or outside it was about 82, I think the thermometer said. But you get down in that Crack in the Ground, and I'm guessing it was below 60 Fahrenheit. So pretty cool, pretty nice. So we'll check in again later. see you down the road.